Getting breaking news that there was chaos outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence reportedly due to distribution of Lok Sabha tickets. Ashish joining us with more details. Ashish, can you take us through exactly what happened?
Well, Maha, there are two people, Rakesh Gupta and Ashwani Upadhyay. They themselves claim to be the founding members of Aam Aadmi Party. And they are not very happy with the way ticket distribution has happened in Aam Aadmi Party, and they have alleged that, especially in the case of Ashutosh, where the ticket, he came at the last moment, a ticket was given to him from Chandni Chowk. So obviously, these people, they say that they are founding members and they have not been given the ticket. Ultimately, even Arvind Kejriwal, when he was coming out of the house, he was leaving for his rally in Mathura. At that point of time, both of them came there and, they started shouting right in front of him that, are we not the founding members? What have you done for us? These questions, they have, asked him questions to which Arvind Kejriwal has not replied. Certainly an embarrassing moment for Aam Aadmi Party chief, especially in the case, we've seen yesterday also that, one of its leaders, there was black ink thrown on his face. Today, again, we are saying, dissent with in the...
Right, there is certainly dissent at this point within the party over ticket distribution for the Lok Sabha elections. Two members at least who claim to be founding members of the Aam Aadmi Party confronting Arvind Kejriwal this morning at his residence before he was leaving for Mathura for a rally, saying that they should have been part of the list rather than newcomers like Ashutosh. Ashish Mehrishi is still with us. Ashish, I'd like to understand from you that with this growing dissent, how is Arvind Kejriwal likely to respond to the situation? Of course, today you said that he did not answer any queries, but will he come down with a heavy hand on this sort of dissent within the party, or will it be more democratic in nature where he'll hear everyone out and then come to a decision? All right, we seem to have lost our link there with Ashish Mehrishi, but Ashish Mehrishi was telling us how chaos broke out outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence this morning as he was stepping out to leave for Mathura for a rally, and two members who claim to be founding members of the Aam Aadmi Party confronting the leader over there, asking him and questioning him rather on the names that have come out for the Lok Sabha elections. The candidate list of the Aam Aadmi Party is being questioned now by some of its own members.
इलेक्शन कमीशन में टिकट नहीं देंगे, आपको टिकट नहीं देंगे, टिकट नहीं चाहिए, आप झूठ बोल रहे हो, टिकट नहीं चाहिए, हमें टिकट, मैं भी कभी अप्लाई नहीं किया, आप इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब दीजिए, आप झूठ बोल रहे हो,